So GC, it's getting scrappy along here. So this 4 may or may not be in. While we're above this support zone, I'm still looking for a fifth up to 1242.43 area in GC. I've got the same in the GDX and I've got similar in silver. So still looking for that last high while we're above this support zone in GC. And where I've got the 4 could be the A of it. All this is some kind of B. And we drop down. So 1214 is the lower support, 1220 the upper support, and then looking up one more time after that before we can actually take a nice short trade down to the 1149 level we've been looking for in GC. And again, trade this morning was as we came through here. You'd see we came through, retested, so that gave you a nice trade off the 1228.5 level straight down here this morning. But I wouldn't overstay your welcome on the short side at the moment in the metals and miners.